Okay, good morning guys. I have set up some machines for you here now, where we will show a little bit of the accessories. We would like to show you the benefits of our folding machines. For example, we have, this one is just a simple quick setup on the pallets here, but it is a bench type, where you can get these small brackets, so you can mount it and put it on the workbench. It can also be that you have it on a truck and want to take it with you. Then you can also make your own setup with these small brackets. Okay. Otherwise, yeah, it's the folding machine as you know it, just on a bench. Then I'd like to show you the next one. It's the same as you saw before, but now on the legs. And we talked a little bit about what we have on the back side. For example, this one here has a roller chair, which I'll show you. But also we have on the back side, have a look here now. We have a stop which both support, can you look from here, which will in full length will support the sheet not to fall down. Plus it will also be a stop, so if you do a production, you can set up the production. I just set it now, so it'll fit for the sheets I have over here. We'll take a sheet here now, put that in. And now I'll just put it up against the you see it's supported, it's not falling down, so it has full support. And I hit the back gates, and then I can just lock it now. And then I can do my bending. But what I want to show you now instead is that we have this as an accessory that you can put on all the machines that you have. Put it down here. And now I can do cutting also, so if you are having this, well, have a look here now, so I'll just do the cutting here now. And then I cut off my piece. So for many this is a good combination because you can cut thin sheets. Okay, now my stop was here, up here, but otherwise I'll just take it out like this and take it off. So, and otherwise I can still do my bending also, of course. That possibility I have also in the machine. So cutting and bending, back gates. And then you mentioned that you need something behind to support the sheets, and for that we have also, now we have a little bit of mixture of HM machines and SCANTOOL, because that was what I had available for this setup. But if you look at this one here, if you look at the back, and I put a sheet in now. And this one, this is an accessory. It's all bolted to the same. The one, if you look on the back side of your machines, we can maybe have a look at this one here. We go and look on the back side here. All the machines, also those you have received, are prepared for either the table or either the table or the back gates. They all are mounted on the back side here. And if you look at your machines also, you'll see they are prepared, all of them, for the rollers here on the back side also. But this one here is an accessory. If you look underneath, just two bolts, both sides, this side and the other side. And now I have nice support for my table and what I do in operation. Hold it and do my bending. Yeah. So this is something we didn't go through when you bought the machines in the first place. The back gates, the table to support them, the sheets. We have the bench model also, which I think can be very useful for many customers. They can make it more portable and bring it with them. Finally, we have the one with the segments. And you mentioned that you didn't like it was a high segment. This was the only one I had available that we have prepared a little bit, but here you have the benefit with this is of course that you have, this one could even be higher. You can do high boxes with high edges. the one that you have now that you sell from Vietnam, you can't do, but you can do the same box. It will be more low because it's with an angle. So here you have a nice room. Wait, what do you want to see?
70 millimeters, 70.
70. You have a space for a height of 70.
And that's is.
What's that in inches?
Just give me a minute. 1 second.
Calculating. But have a look here now. So here you have the support table. You have the back gates, which can either be also for longer. You can take this out. When you do like this, I'll show you a little thing. There's two ways of setting the back gates.
It's 2.75.
With the setup it is now, you will not be able to go. 1 second, just need to read. You cannot go all the way in because you're hitting I think it's turned around wrong, by the way.
No.
Yeah, it is.
That's for when you're bending.
Yeah, but now we're hitting here. It should be on this side.
And then it will hit over here.
So what now? Okay.
This is for when the back gauge goes all the way to the back.
Yeah, then you use it this way.
Then you switch it from the outer stop to the inner stop. You simply just take this apart and take it in here. So now it can go all the way to.
Okay, now it goes all the way in.
2 inches. The minimum is 2 inches.
2 inches.
And maximum is 20 inches.
Do I have a support here? Who can tell?
It's an easy fix, like that and that. Now it can go all the way to 2 inches. And when you need to go 20 inches, you move the handle up to this hole and it can go all the way back.
Okay, thanks for this, Troels. Then we would like to show you another thing, because if you look at our machines, they are very flexible. For example, if you have customers who has bought this one, and the benefit of this one, of course, is that you can make a really narrow U channel. I can maybe make an example just to show you. Give me 1 second. We can put this over here.
The height of the segments is 2.75 inches. So the box you can make is 2.75.
I just wanted to show you quickly the benefit with the. Oh, I made some mark here. Where did I make it? I found it.
Let me help you, boss.
No, I just want to see where it was here. Ah, I got
there and there and there and there.
Oh, really need some good eyes. You see this? Oh, some right. Okay, this was one. Then of course you can make like this. I don't know if it's exactly 90 degrees, but it's close. The idea that you can bend up to 93 degrees is that, of course, that you can get a clear 90 degrees bend on your machine. Then you turn it around, then from behind, get the one down. Then see if I can see the marks. That's easier on this side. There we go, and.
Ja, du skal filme bagfra, Sule.
So now I have space for it on the back side, and I do approximately 90 here on this side. Can I get it out? I hope so. A little bit overbended, but this you will never be able to do. I don't know, it also again depends on your customer's need, but this is something you can do on this one. Really tall U form. Okay? Now we'll show you a little bit about the flexibility, because you have customers, you only bought this one here. You don't have the one with the sharp nose blade. And the benefit of this, of course, is that you can do up to 135 degrees, where you have a limit of 93 on this one. But that's where we are unique, because you can change it. This machine you can change quickly to this machine. And we'll just do it quickly. So, skal du lige hjælpe sig med det?
Men passer det helt det, du siger? Ja. Det kommer an på, hvor høj kant du bukker, når du kan godt bukke ind på 10 mm, kan du godt på 135 grader.
Yeah, okay. What Troels is saying is that if you have a very small edge, you can also do up to 135 degrees on this one. But that is very, very small. Can you show it? what we mean.
Yeah.
But if it's a tall, then you cannot do it. You can but do this one.
You can
Yeah.
the ends like that.
And then you can do more.
Then we can bend it 135 degrees. Det tror jeg næsten ikke er ude, fordi det er nødt rigtigt. Det kan du klippe ud, Sule.
Men det kan det.
Ja, hvis vi nu viser det på en video, så skriver
So,
vi for det.
this you can also do. So we did 135, we did some clamping on it also. But that is simple because if it was in metal you cannot do it. But because this one is in zinc, you can do it. Now we just quickly show you how to change a machine like this to a machine like this. Because if you, for example, you showed me from your models that you have made in Vietnam, that you have the one with the sharp nose and you have the one with the segments. So it's two machines and you cannot change that. I mean, you cannot modify it from one to another. But on our machines, you can do it. And Troels will just help us quickly to show you. Ellers den, hvis du begynder at gøre noget rigtig klar.
Ja, det må du gerne.
Det kan jeg godt gøre. Så kan vi
også klippe i, hvad jeg kan.
Det tager lidt længere tid.
We'll just help each other here. Oh, that's really tight. Good to have a lot of muscles. So, yeah. Then we can take this one out, or can we? If that was not loose enough, 1 second. No, there it comes. So you just remove this one. Just release all the screws up here, and then what you see. We'll just do it now. So then the kran over, skal jeg holde den?
Yeah, I took that out. I can turn in.
Huh?
The knot.
Yeah.
I took that out.
Okay, we take the knot off this one, and also on the other side. So that's taken off. So what we do now? Come again, or?
Trust me, I know it.
You've done it before.
I've tried it before.
So instead of buying a brand new machine, if you want to change to the 135 degrees, we will just show you what you can do and how you can do it. 1 second, yeah. I could of course had hold it, but we're lazy. When we have
This is the easy way.
the easy way.
So. Yeah.
Okay, then the
We
spring
can
falls off.
disconnect this piece and take that out.
And we have the same in the other side. So we took this off now.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
We'll take this screw out. That's the last piece that holds the upper beam in its place.
It looks new.
There's a small washer between here. You need to catch that small washer when you take it out.
Eller den kan hænge her.
Yeah,
Okay.
so see, then there's a small washer. You need to
I got it also here.
catch that one. So now it's free.
Yeah, but now we put it back in.
We'll just put it in. It was in this hole. Now we'll put it in that hole. So we got the lower beam.
Du sender en øverst, ikke? Ja. Så skal du have den her skive ind.
Ja, det skal vi lige have med ind. Like that.
So which one do we take now? The lowest one?
Yeah. No. It's the other way around.
What's your... Okay, it's good I have some help. I thought it was so smart to help here. Så kan den ind nu, så. Ja.
Like that. And there, connection. And we need to put on the knot on the outside.
At least that's something I can do to help. Do the same on the other side.
Yeah. Tighten it.
How is skarpskin?
Yeah. We need the spring and the bolt.
You use the same spring. The same spring as before.
Same spring. And in with the spring.
And it's the same bolt also, isn't it?
Yeah.
Same bolt as before also. But now, if I go through here, we just remove the distance piece. That's the only one we're not using now.
Kom her og suge. The white side of the spring goes upwards, up in the hole, and this is in the low on the bottom side.
Yeah, it's like a little, how can I say?
It's the same way you took it off.
Yeah.
So now we only need to put in the sharp nose plate. We got one here.
Yeah. And so the only thing you have to buy is this sharp nose plate, because everything was on the machine already. So if you buy this sharp nose plate, you can
Transform the machine from high to low. And just not tighten it all the way, just loosely tight with an easy hand.
So you can fine adjust it.
Yeah, exactly. So it needs to go a little further down for clamping. And that's why we got these on the side. Just to adjust the clamping. It's also when it's a high beam. It's also this screw.
Same system.
Same
yeah.
principle.
Make sure you have the same pressure on both sides.
I think it's about right.
Yeah, and then you need the fine adjustment, and then you're done. Then you're done.
I'm using this with the plastic, not the heavy model, normal hammer.
That will make marks. I think they know they know about this.
Don't use that one. Use this plastic one. And then we can just make it fit. See, that was a little too much, so go out again.
Looks pretty good.
When it's straight, it has to fit the line here with the bending beam. That's what I'm looking for. That's the line here, the bending beam. So now it's there. When you tighten it up, and the machine is good to go.
So now I just want to show you the last thing, that we can do up to 135 degrees. It may not be accurate, but just to give a little idea. Something like that, I think. Yeah, it's okay. And now you can do the full bend. Okay guys, this, oh yeah, that was the last thing. We have also this as an accessory.
It needs new batteries.
So battery in it.
Shall I get one?
Nah, it doesn't matter. We have this. This is an. Nah, it works a little bit. Sometimes. No. Let's see. Sule, you can have a look here now. You can put it on the side here now, and then I can put it onto 0. And then you see when I do the bending, you can see it. So you can get this as an accessory to put on. You get it? Okay, guys. This was a very quick introduction to the accessories. And the benefit of this, we're still open for maybe producing the one with the angle segment machines for you, but still think about it, all the accessories, the possibilities you have with our machines as they are. Okay, well, we will discuss that tomorrow. I have it already fixed. It's working. Yeah, it's okay. It was okay. See you guys tomorrow. Look forward to have the Zoom meeting with you.